Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Badi Rai means what is apparent to us. Aqla'i means withhold. Wafarut Tanur means gushing of water. Ikrimah says Tanur means earth surface. Mujahid says Al-Judi is a mountain in the island. Dab like the plight. Moreover, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and recite unto them the story of Noah, when he told his people, O my people, if my standing up and my reminding you of Allah's signs has offended you, then I relied on Allah only. Then do your work unitedly and complete your work with your false deities, so that nothing may be obscure to you in your work. Then do against me what you can and respite me not. Then if you turn your face, then I ask not any wage from you. My wage is only with Allah, and I have been ordered to be of Muslims. Surah Yunus, verse 71-72. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up amidst the people, glorified and praised Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as He Jalla Jalaluhu deserves. Then mentioning Dajjal, said, I warned you against him, and every prophet warned his people against him, and Hazrat Noah as well. But I tell you one such thing, as no other prophet has told his people. So beware, Dajjal is blind in one eye, whereas Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is not blind in one eye. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3337.